This is a Tinker Time special. We're gonna do a cedar ceiling. This is the truckload of wood. One of 5. I had to go to different Home Depots. You wouldn't believe the quality issues that I was having. This is the early American wood stain. That's the color. It's beautiful. Look at this. Boom. So you gotta rub it in with a rag. You can do it with like a brush and a roller, but it doesn't come out right. You do it like this, that's the way it's done. Don't ask questions. It's super easy. You just wipe it on. Look at it. Look at it go. And you start to run out, you dip again like this.
Now who?
This is my side. That's your side.
Yeah, who did a better job? What do you think? Did I spread more or did you spread more?
You.
All right, so who wins?
Me.
Look at how beautiful. This is just a stain when it's dry. There's no clear coat on there yet. There, that's the clear coat going on. She's doing it good too, huh? She's doing it with love. So after you get everything stained and clear coated, you can then get your ceiling ready to accept the wood planks. This is a tedious process. Same thing over and over, but you gotta keep measuring your distance. Get them nicey nice. This is a speed up view of how we do the same thing over and over and over again. You can see how it's very repetitive and it's a lot of labor. It's a labor of love. You know, look at the results when we're done. It's just, everybody loves it. And if you can see across the entire top there, you know, there's not a single board, there's not a break in any of them boards. It gives it that unique, clean look. Alright, you come back over here, you see me at Tinker Time, huh?